Hello dear Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be your March monthly reading. So this will have your career, your love life, health, family, money, success, promotion, everything covered. So let's start. Your cards are already out. I know you cannot see the spread, but I'm going to show you one by one. So in the first week, we have the Two of Swords and the Three of Sons. Now, this card talks about a particular abandonment issue where maybe somebody left you without any explanation, blocked you, or ghosted you. I also see a new passionate start with the very same person. So, somebody from your past will be coming back, or you are going back to somebody and having a fresh start with this person. That's a possibility that I see. In terms of your career, I do see you starting a new venture. It can be a promotion that you're taking up, like a new role. It can be a change of job, or it can be a new venture in the form of a business that you're starting, or either a new competitive exam that you're preparing for. So some sort of new beginning is happening in your life, a new chapter. I do see it opening up for you in the month of March, right? The negative energies are going away now. The abandonment, the blockages that I see in the past, they will be removed. And if you were worried about starting something new, March will be a very good time for you to start that new business, to go for those higher studies, or take up that promotion role. Okay, coming to your second week, we have the postulant and the fortune's wheel. So the postulant and the fortune's wheel talks about you overthinking a decision, right? I do feel that you're very scared of ending something which is not working out for you. It can be in the form of a relationship that you're worried that that has ended and you're very scared of starting a new one. It can be a marriage that you don't want to end, or it can be any job that you don't want to end because it has given you stability or a stable income as of now. Well, the fortune's wheel is telling you that changes are inevitable. Big changes will happen in your life. Things will end in your life, but only for your better. That means new beginnings will happen in your life and that will be for your better, right? I do see some sort of karmic cycle ending for you and a new karmic cycle beginning for you, a new chapter beginning for you, right? So you could be ending a job to find a new job somewhere else. You could be ending a job or ending a role to take up a promotion role. You could be ending a job for higher studies. You could be ending a job because you want to start a new business, or you could be doing something side by side as well. That is up to you. Now, some relationships will also end in the month of March, which were not working out for you, which were not for your higher good, or those people you were with, you have finished the karmic cycle with them. Okay, now new relationships will form, new people will come into your life in the form of work or personal life as well. They will help you grow and achieve what you're meant to do in this life. So prepare for a lot of endings with a lot of people, friends, family, cutting off a lot of people which are not working out for you, not because they're toxic for you or something, but also because you have finished your karmic cycle with them, right? So whether that's a spouse, partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, colleagues, friends, something is ending and a new life is beginning where you will start new things and you will meet new people. Okay, so it's going to be beautiful for you. Don't get scared. Coming to the third week, we have the One of Stairs and the Chariot. Yes, again, new beginnings, new beginnings, new beginnings. So definitely something new is happening in your life in the month of March, and you can feel it. Anything that you're starting to think about is going to happen, right? Um, New income also I do see flowing in for you. If income was tight, or you thought that it might not work out, your plans might not work out, your business might not work out, everything will work out just fine. Okay, just believe it, just trust it, don't get scared. New beginnings are waiting for you. It can be, like I counted, promotion, new job and stuff. Chariot also talks about travel card. Now you could be traveling a lot in the month of March. It can be a vacation, or it can be for the purpose of work as well. I also see that some of you will be settling down to a new place, moving to a new place, new city, new country as well. I also see you guys, if you were involved in a lot of traveling job, you could also be settling down in one place as well. I also see in your personal life that somebody can specially travel to come and see you, or you are specially traveling to go and see someone, or you're traveling with your spouse. So, yes, traveling is a lot happening in the month of March. You will travel at least once for sure, or somebody is traveling for you, right? It can be a past person, or it can be that you have met a new person online or something, and they are specially traveling to see you. Okay, so traveling is there. You could also be trying to invest in a house. You could be trying to invest in a house which is another city, or a plot or something like that. Also, I see it happening. In the fourth week, we have the Pope and the Fortitude. Yes, as I said. So, with the Pope here, I do see a lot of traditional ceremonies happening, which means you could be investing in a new house, buying new car, plot, all those sort of materialistic things are happening for you. And I also see that some of you could be doing some function in the form of a roka engagement or marriage. Pope card means a priest. Pope card means somebody who does the traditional ceremony. So yes, you are definitely doing something to celebrate. Maybe starting a new office, opening a new building, or constructing a new building. Something of that sort is happening in your life. So definitely you will be doing traditional ceremonies also, in the form of yes, like I counted all these things, all these good things. So good things are coming your way. Fortitude card is there. So I do see that some of you might be very scared of this new chapters, if I should invest or not, because I'm afraid of EMIs, if I should buy a new car or not, will this be a liability, or should I invest in another city or state or not, or should I get married or not, should I start this relationship or not. Anything that you were scared of till now is going to go away, and I do see you finding the strength and courage to start something new, right? You will be taking that big risk that you were always scared of, and it is going to turn out very good for you. That is something that I would like to tell you personally, that with the Fortitude card here, your life is I'm sorry, only going to move forward from here. Okay, find that strength in you, find that courage in you to make that big move, whether to take that job which is in another city or country, whether to settle down somewhere, whether to invest in a property. Take that big move, because it's going to be very, very good for you. Your cards are wonderful, Capricorns. If you guys want to manifest this energy, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that it gets to you very, very fast. Okay, and if you resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you still have some questions in your mind regarding your love, career, money, anything you want to ask me, you can always book a reading with me. What you have to do is, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well. Direct message me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, and I'll be very, very happy to do the reading for you. The charges are very cheap, very minimal, so it's not going to be out of budget for you. This is a reading which can actually reach the masses, and maximum people can utilize the services of this channel. So take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.